What's up, guys? BD Wiz, oldschoolstereo.com. Today we're going to talk about a few things sent by Brad over at legendsofcaraudio.com. Make sure you go check his website. He sent me this Visionic amplifier with the VU meters, the V2000T. He heard that I wanted one of these because actually they were on eBay and he grabbed them very quickly and I missed out. But yeah, Brad's a cool guy. He sent me over one. And we'll check these out in the future. What we're going to check out now, though, is something from US Acoustics. And US Acoustics is an old school company back from the 90s. I guess a spinoff of Z Audio. One of the guys who used to work for Z Audio started making amplifiers for US Acoustics. But they're still in business today in 2018. Going to look at this specific model. We're going to look at the 1500 watt mic. Retails for $299. Let's open up the box and see what it looks like. So here's the manual for the mic. Let's take a peek, see what this joker is rated. You can see 800 by 1 at 4 ohms, 1000 by 1 at 2 ohms, or 1500 at 1 ohm. This is a monoblock one-channel amplifier. All right, now we'll take a closer look at the inputs and outputs on the US Acoustics mic amplifier. Here on the one side, you can see the remote bass connection, which is a telephone style connector, bass boost, subsonic filter from 15 to 55 hertz, also a low pass filter from 40 to 150 hertz, and a level control 6 volts to 0.2 volts, inputs and outputs for RCAs. On the opposite side, we have power and ground, 4 gauge terminals here. We have 4 40 amp fuses. Get your fuse on. And then we have 10 gauge speaker outputs. We have 2 outputs, but this is a monoblock amp. All right, now we have the amplifier wired up. Let's get it fired up and see how it does on the dyno. First up, 2 ohms certified, 1% THD at 40 hertz. Rated 1000 watts at 14.4. We get 992 at 13.93. So right there, pulled 105.9 amps, 67.6% efficiency. And I'm gonna link in the description below and also above here in a card. Check my previous video about my current pulls because there may be some discrepancies here. Next up, we will try certified 1 ohm, 40 hertz, 1% THD rated 1500 watts. We get 1480 right at it. I mean, I will consider this meeting rated. It's so close. 176.6 amps, 58% efficiency. Again, not real sure about that when the clamp stopped the measurement. Let's try it to clipping, which really this is a measurement people need to look at. 1755 watts. Yeah, boy! At 13.61 volts, check out this current, 186.7, 69% efficiency. That's more like it. Now let's try dynamic. The pulse tone of 40 hertz, kicking. And the amp is kicking out the power, 2110 at 13.86 volts. Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy, that's what I'm talking about. Check out this inrush current, 221.5. Still 69% efficient. Awesome. All right, since you've seen all the tests, let's go ahead and take the 6 screws out of the bottom plate. Pull the bottom cover off, and yes, there is a sign of beauty. Check out this amplifier. You can tell it is designed by somebody who knows what they're doing. Check out the beefy transformers here. Filtering caps there. The FETs are all clamped down very nicely. OFC internal wiring. We like it. Looks very good. Here are the ratings, the measurements we received during our test. You saw most of them except for a couple of those 2 ohm tests. This amp did well. I mean, it did right at rated at 1% THD and considerably more at clipping. And we were very pleased with the build quality of this amplifier. I love the way the terminals work, the gain controls, everything just felt well, and the heatsink itself was very heavy. And again, guys, this amp's 300 bucks. It's a 1500 watt amp, but you're paying a little bit more. I mean, 20 cents a watt. Come on, really? It's not that much, but you're paying more for quality. You can't always look at the cheapest amps. Cheap does not always mean good. Buy something like this that'll last you. Thanks again to Brad for sending these over. And this is Big D Wiz. Until next time, I'm out of here. All right, Banda Electra bass 3K. Let's try it. Certified 1 ohm, 40 hertz.